In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose or change the delivery date on Amazon, provided this option is available in your region. This can be especially handy if you're planning around a gift delivery or ensuring you're home when your package arrives. First, let's get started by browsing Amazon. As you explore the vast array of items available, you'll want to add the desired products to your cart. Once you've gathered everything you need, proceed to the checkout, which is where you can usually make the choice for your delivery date if the option is available. On the order summary or shipping step, pay close attention. If your selected item qualifies, you might notice a scheduled delivery option or perhaps a small calendar icon. This is Amazon's scheduled delivery feature, and it presents a wonderful opportunity to have control over when your order arrives. Additionally, for Prime members, there's something called Amazon Day. This feature allows you to pick a specific weekday when all your deliveries will arrive, offering even more control and convenience. If the option is available, to select a delivery date and time, click on the calendar pop-up. Here, you'll be able to browse through the available days and pick one that aligns with your personal schedule. Some items might also allow you to choose a specific time slot, such as morning, afternoon, or evening, giving you even greater flexibility to plan around your day. Once you've made your selection, be sure to confirm or apply your choice. It's essential to now review your selections. Look over the delivery summary to ensure that the date you just picked is correctly shown. It's always a good idea to double-check that everything is in order before proceeding. Once you've verified that your preferred delivery date is correctly listed, go ahead and place your order. These steps are relatively simple, but they can make a significant difference, especially when timing is crucial. This feature can become a valuable tool in managing the arrival of your packages with ease and convenience, ensuring they fit neatly into your schedule. Just remember, the availability of these options may vary based on your region and the item you are purchasing. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively choose or change the delivery date for your Amazon orders when applicable. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.